All right, friends, we're now on round 5, which is going to be real similar to round 4. There are no color changes. It's all double crochet. Just keep staying the course. Make sure your stitch counts are correct. We're going to be doing double crochets again, and then we actually won't be doing a color change until the very end of the round, where we're going to switch back to yellow for round 6. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing great, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, y'all, starting with a chain 3, which counts as the first stitch. And then we're going to do a double crochet in the same stitch. And then after that, we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Double crochet in the next 3. Now I'm starting the first double crochet. And then the second. And now I'm starting the third. And after that, I'm going to repeat what I just did. 2 double crochet in the next chain space. And then 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And then I'm going to just repeat that all the way to the end of the round. You should end up with 60 stitches when you're all done. So I'm just going to keep on doing this, and we'll jump ahead to just a few stitches from the end. Okay, I'm working my last double crochet, and in round 6, the next round, we're switching to yellow. So just like in the other rows when we had to change color, I'm not going to finish this slip stitch with the blue. I'm going to pick up the yellow at this point and snip off the blue. And I will see you guys in round 6.